Having washed all your upper body meridians with wonderful chi energy, now we come to the middle, the center, where we have the girdling vessel, which is the diameter of which determines the strength of immunity that you have in your body. And as you see, the feet are about double shoulder width apart, and the golden rule is that as you move out, you breathe out. As you move in, you breathe in. So we start this exercise with a deep in breath, and then we move out, breathing out, and then we move in, breathing in. We do this 9 times on either side, and all along we are moving the energy in a kind of washing machine. As you twist a little more. It's like taking all the air out of the lungs, just like you take all the water out of a piece of cloth. And focus on the girdling vessel around you.